Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzman with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and on my last day here at this install in Blaine, Minnesota, and just gonna make a quick video and show you how we dig the holes here. Well, it makes it easier to dig holes anyway, but you can also use a skid steer with an auger attached to the front of it, which makes even bigger holes and goes even faster. But anyway, I'm going to set the camera down. I'm going to show you what we're doing here. We're going to be planting a silver buffalo berry, which is a nitrogen fixer, in between a cherry tree and I think it's a pear tree. Anyway, here we go. Let me make sure we get it. All right. And just like that, you got a hole dug. And we're going to put this silver buffalo berry in this hole, and that's where it's going to live for the rest of its days. Anyway, I'll have more coming in a little bit as I show you what kind of soils amendments we're putting in the hole for these trees to give them a great opportunity to thrive and produce a lot of fruit. Anyway, have an amazing day, everybody out there, and grow food, not lawns. See you later.